In front of me is LENOVO Tab 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Then hold it. Select floating window, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To resize it or even change shape of it, hold one of its corners, drag it, and when you're ready, let go. If you want to minimize your window, click on Home button, and then to access your app in the same form again, go into Background Apps and click on it. You can also do that by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner and selecting Minimize. To close your window, you can swipe it in the background, or you can use it in full screen view instead by tapping on the same three dots and selecting full screen. You can even go from this little window to split screen view by tapping on the dots again, selecting split screen and tapping on the second app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!